Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Eco Tips and Design. Today, I'll be taking you on how to download and install SketchUp plugins and extensions. I actually wanted to install a mirror plugin because of this project I was working on. I wanted to make a mirror of the object you can see there. And I tried to use the rotate tool, but it didn't work or give me what I wanted. And now I had to go out to download the SketchUp plugin. Even though I tried pulling it in, you see it didn't work. I tried other ways to install it, and it didn't work. So I had to make this tutorial to teach you how to install your SketchUp plugins. Stay tuned. For you to install your SketchUp plugins, you would have to download the plugins first into your system from the SketchUp website, the 3D warehouse. Extension warehouse actually. And then after downloading, you just follow the steps actually, and go to where the file is located. You click on it and that is it. It's installed. You can see how it's installed. Very easy and simple. You drag it and place it on your panel. That is how to install plugins in SketchUp. You can see how I made the duplicate and mirrored it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. You are free to drop a comment or ask questions using the comment section below. Bye.